What's up folks, welcome back to the garage. In this video I will show you how I did change the front wheel bearings and the whole hub into this my Volvo XC70. First I will tell you how much I saved, then I show the parts I used and special tool what I'm using. This car started to make a little bit noise. First I thought it's the winter tires we are using here in Finland. It was like whoa, 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 whoa. But when I drove in different surfaces, the noise didn't change. And last time when I went to the service, the guy said that your front wheel bearings are gone, so they won't even pass the MOT. So now I'm changing them myself. In local dealer, they told me that it will cost about 420 euros per side. So it was almost 1,000 euros, the whole job. So I decided now it's time to do something. And I watched a few YouTube videos and I found this special tool set from eBay. I ordered this from eBay Germany. It was a little bit cheaper than eBay UK. And I think I paid about 78 euros or 80 euros from this set. And it's Chinese, but I know how it works and it should work quite well. And these hubs, these are SKF. You can see the part number there. I thought I would order Swedish ones, but these are made in China. But they should be okay. And there's also the magnet for the ABS sensors, so they should be okay. And there's a fresh bolt for the job. I ordered these from Autodoc. In this video I will show you how I use this tool and how I removed the old hub and how I press the new one back in. Now I managed to get lower ball joint off. As you can see, I just used this bar and I pushed down. It came almost out, and I had to use a little bit the hammer, the lower arm. I just hit it few times or tapped few times, so then the ball joint came off. Next I will loose the nut of the drive shaft and tap it a little bit, so then I can get the drive shaft off. And after that we will try to use the special tool to remove the bearing. On the left side I took the whole hub out, or the arm out, and used my press, and that's my plan B. If the special tool doesn't work, if it is too stuck, then I will just lose the bolt from the shock absorber and take whole unit away, and then I can press it. So it's my plan B. Plan A is to use the special tool. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe I'm not using the tool in a correct way. I should use this piece to pull it out, and this big bolt goes through, and there's the smaller piece there and this big nut here, and I think I'm supposed to hold it with the wrench and turn from here, and then the bearing should come out. But maybe I don't know how to use this tool, or this is just a poor tool, or the bearing is very tight, which it might be, because on the left side it was. So I'm taking the plan B now. I just need to remove one bolt, and I spread this arm a little bit, then it will slide out. So I will remove this tool, and I'll get back to you as soon I have the arm, or actually the hub, in my press. Yes, the hub, I managed to get it quite easy. So this is also quite fast way to do this. As you can see, I'm using the tool's parts, except the long bolt is missing. But I saw a Swedish guy doing this bearing pressing in his press like this, so I'm using the same method. And the new bearing is in the fridge at the moment, so it's much easier to get back on the new one when it's freezing cold. But next I start pressing the bearing out. On the left side I had to use quite a lot of pressure, and then I heard a bang, and then it started to move, and it's keeping a little bit noise when pressing out, but you will hear it soon. It was very tight, as you noticed. I'm so happy I have the press. Even it's not a professional quality to press, but it's good enough in this kind of situations. It would be very nice to have a press that would have the pressure gauge to see how much I had to give a pressure for this bearing. But now I think I will have my dinner while the new bearing is cooling down in a fridge. At least the first one was actually quite easy when the bearing was very cold, so it was easy to fit back in. Now I just got my bearing from the fridge. Now I use different part from the tool, and the bearing is ready here, and the hub is there. I will put it on the bearing and use this adapter and press it down. First I will clean this. As you can see, there's some frost on the bearing, but I will put my camera on stand so you will see the whole show. It's so nice to press it with a real press. As you can see, it's just on the right place as the original ones. I think these are original, 270 kilometers. So I think they might still be original ones. At least I hope they are. And I hope these SKFs, even they are made in China, I hope they are good quality, but we will see. Next I will just have to put the hub back on. I will put my camera on stand, so I will show you the process in step by step. On this side it was actually quite easy thing, but on the other side I struggled a lot. It was like a practice, and I noticed that the drive shaft rubber from the tire's end is a little bit broken, so I have to fix that. I'm trying to find that kind of rubber that I can glue on, and it should be much easier, and I know that there is that kind of rubbers existing. Chinese tool, a special tool, wasn't so good. I thought it would be, but my old faithful press did the job perfectly. But hey, thanks for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Not there, down. Please give me comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, now is a good time to do that. And also remember to press the bell. Thanks for watching and see you soon.